Hi and welcome in this first video in the AI OFM Blueprint channel. And today I'm going to share with you the exact process and the exact plan of the AI business and how you can monetize your AI model that you are going to create. So first, we are going to see an overview of the whole business model. So the first step is that you need to create an AI model. And for that, will use some tools like Picasso.ai, Banana Pro, and we have a lot of tools. And I'm going to share with you in another video an exact technical setup and on how you can create your own model. So just subscribe and I will share it with you in the next few days. The second step is that we need to create content and drive traffic to our model. So this is where a lot of beginners fail and they struggle with. It's the traffic side of the business. So they don't know how to drive traffic. They don't know which content they should create and how they can uh, create some engaging content that will convert the customers. And the third step is the monetization side. So here we will go into use some platforms like Fanvue, Defense, Fansly, or even Telegram to convert the traffic that we are going to drive and make the most money from our AI model. And now let's move to the first step is the AI model creation. So the first thing you need to do is to pick a niche. So we are not going to create just a random girl and random model. So this is not the best thing to do in 2026 to maximize the potential of revenue from your AI model. So this is why we are going to pick a niche. And from my experience, I'm going to share with you the best niches and with the highest potential of making money. So the first niche is the fitness girl. So as you can see, it's you are going to create an AI model that will be mostly on the gym. You are going to share some pics of her in the gym doing workouts, the meals, all the things related to gym. Like you already know, there are a lot of guys that are interested in the gym side, in their physique. So they are going to relate more to this type of niche. The second one is the gamer girl. So we all know there are a lot of people who spend the most on the applications like Fanvue, OnlyFans. They are mostly gamers. So this is why they are relating more to some AI gamer girl. The third one is going to be the luxury girl. So you are going to create a model where mostly she would be in some fancy places. She would be traveling. So like this is the vibe. So the luxury vibe. And the fourth niche is going to be the cosplay. So I'm not a huge fan of this type of models, but from what I have seen, I've seen a lot of success from this type. So if you are interested, or if you think that you could succeed in this type of niche, go for it. It has also a potential to make money, but from my own perspective, I'm not a huge fan of this type of niches. And the last one and the most known is the girl next door. So this is one of the famous type of AI models that have a lot of success in this last years. Is the girl next door. So it's mainly just a random girl, like girlfriend type of vibes. It's accessible, so people will go into relate to it more than the other niches because it doesn't have something specific to it, like the other ones, like the luxury one or the fitness girl or the gamer girl. So this type of girl, you are going to attract all type of mans, all type of people. So this is why you will have a high success rate. And the last thing with the creation model is the consistency is everything. What I mean by that is you need to lock one type of girl, one face, one body shape. You don't have to change it from picture to picture, from post to post. you need to get consistent in your AI creation. And in the next video, I'm going to share with you how you can achieve that. And now we are going to move to the second step, which is the content strategy. So, as I said, most people they fail here. Why? Because they don't know which content they should produce, which content they should put on their top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. And this is why I'm going to share with you the exact strategy that I'm using and that guarantees a good success rate. And no, for the type of content that you are going to share with your audience and to drive traffic, they need to fulfill one purpose, at least one of the three of the purposes right here. So first one, you need to attract attention. So you need to create some content or some pictures that are going to attract and grab the attention of the audience. The second thing, build curiosity. So this is the most important one. So you don't need to share a lot of things about your model. You have always to put some curiosity around your model, so people they will be more attracted to know more about her. Sorry. And the last one is the push to your monetization link. So you need to create some content, not that salesy or aggressive sales, but just you need to put some call to action to push the audience to your monetization link. So at the beginning, you don't need to be perfect at creating your content. You just need to be consistent, create and iterate. See what's working, see what people that are winning in this space are doing, and copy them. And it comes with time, with momentum. You will have some growth. And now, with the third step is the traffic. So here what I suggest for beginners is to pick one traffic platform first and do not try to be everywhere because you could end like not mastering any source of traffic. And from my experience, these are the apps that works the best for the AI models. So first we have the X. So this is the most AI friendly for the adult content and for the AI models. But it's a little bit, it takes a lot of times in order to create momentum and to create engagement. So you need to be more present, engage a lot, and post every day. The second one is Instagram. And also it's the same for Instagram and TikTok. So they are good platforms, but as a beginner, I don't recommend it for you because you need to be more advanced in the content creation. You need to create some reels, some TikToks in order to drive more traffic. So here in the traffic side, I will just tell you that you need to study what works in your niche. So you need to follow like the most famous AI models in your niche. For example, if you are doing the fitness girl, you are going to see to study what other fitness models are sharing, and you try to copy them and make something similar to what they share. And now with the last step and the most important one, it's the one that will generate you money and revenue, is the monetization step. So we are not going to use OnlyFans because it's not safe for AI models and it will just ban your account or you will face a lot of problems with it. So this is why we are going to use some other alternatives like Fanvue, Defense, or even Fansly. And there is also Telegram, like a lot of people are using it, but I just find that it has the lowest conversion rate between all the alternatives. And for the monetization, so how we are going to generate money, it will be mainly from the subscription model and the upsells. And like the most money and where we are going to make the big numbers is going to be from the upsells and from the pay-per-view and the chatting. So the pay-per-view is you are going to send some locked content to the subscribers and they need to pay to unlock and to see the content. And also in the chatting, so you are going to chat with your subscribers and try to make the most money from them. So this is all for this first video. I know it's not something practical. I just trying to give you some insights and some overview of the whole business model. And in the next video, we are going to be more practical, and I will share with you all the technical setup from the creation of the model using like applications like Picasso or Banana Pro or Higgsfeld or a lot of tools that I'm using to like the creation of your accounts, like Instagram accounts, how you can warm up your accounts, how to drive traffic, how to create engaging content, and also the monetization part. So just subscribe, and if you have any question or something that you want me to explain in the next videos, just comment, and I will try to make a video about it.